One feature that many Motorola users have wanted for a long time is an inbuilt app lock. I have already uploaded different videos from covering alternatives, but finally Motorola has introduced the official app lock feature in their newly launched mobile phones. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable this feature and how to lock the apps so you will get a clear idea of how it actually works. Follow the steps I'm going to show you in this video step by step to avoid any confusion or errors. So let's start. First, open the settings on your Motorola mobile phone, then scroll down and choose the apps option. Do note that for this video, I'm demonstrating this on the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. After entering the apps section, scroll down and you will see an option called app lock. Tap on it. You will be asked to set a pattern for this lock, and this is how the interface looks once it's set. You can choose the list of applications you want to lock by turning on the toggle on the right side of each app. Also, if you tap on the unlock method at the top, you can choose not only the pattern but also PIN and password. You can even enable fingerprint unlock or face unlock for added convenience. If you want to reset everything, meaning you want to disable the app lock permanently, simply press the reset app lock option at the bottom. Let me show you again how it looks. Right after tapping on app lock, it first asks you to choose either a pattern, PIN or password. After entering it twice for confirmation, it opens up the list of apps that are already installed on your mobile phone. From here, you can enable or disable the lock for any app you want. The only option I didn't find is whether the apps lock immediately after closing them or only after locking the mobile phone. But either way, it's great that Motorola has finally included this feature. And that's it guys. This is how you can enable the app lock on your Motorola mobile phone. Don't forget to like and share this video so that we can reach more Motorola users like you. Also, subscribe for more tips and tricks along with different gadget and mobile reviews on this channel.